We'll know that getting a good night's sleep is important, but do we really understand how crucial it is for our brain power? What if I told you that sleep is not just a time of rest, but an essential period for brain function, memory consolidation, and even creativity? In this video, we'll explore the profound impact sleep has on our cognitive abilities, and why those late-night Netflix binges might be costing you more than you think. So, grab your favorite cup of coffee, if it's not too late in the day, and let's explore the science behind sleep and brain power. The science of sleep and the brain. Sleep is far from being just a passive state of rest. It's a highly active process that plays a crucial role in maintaining and enhancing brain function. During sleep, the brain undergoes various stages, including rapid eye movement, REM, and non-REM sleep, each of which serves different purposes in cognitive processing. Memory consolidation. One of the most significant impacts of sleep on brain power is its role in memory consolidation. During the day, we are bombarded with information, some of it trivial, some of it crucial. When we sleep, the brain sifts through this information, deciding what to keep and what to discard. This process primarily occurs during the deeper stages of non-REM sleep. Studies have shown that individuals who get sufficient sleep perform better on memory tasks compared to those who are sleep-deprived. Whether it's learning a new skill, preparing for an exam, or simply remembering the names of people you met at a party, sleep plays an indispensable role in solidifying those memories. Cognitive functioning and problem solving. Sleep also enhances our cognitive functions, such as attention, decision-making, and problem-solving abilities. During sleep, the brain reorganizes and restructures information, allowing for more creative thinking and innovative problem-solving when we wake up. This is why we often hear the phrase, "sleep on it," when faced with difficult decisions. The brain's ability to process complex information and come up with solutions is significantly boosted after a good night's sleep. Emotional regulation. Another critical aspect of sleep is its role in emotional regulation. The brain's prefrontal cortex, which governs decision-making and emotional responses, functions more effectively after a restful night. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, can lead to heightened emotional reactions and decreased ability to manage stress. This is because sleep deprivation negatively affects the amygdala, the part of the brain responsible for processing emotions, leading to increased anxiety, irritability, and even depressive symptoms. Neurogenesis and brain health. Sleep also contributes to brain health by promoting neurogenesis, the process by which new neurons are formed in the brain. This is particularly important for maintaining cognitive flexibility and overall brain resilience. Furthermore, sleep allows for the clearance of waste products from the brain, including beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease. Poor sleep over time can lead to an accumulation of these harmful substances, increasing the risk of neurodegenerative conditions. Energy conservation and restoration. During sleep, the brain's energy consumption decreases, allowing it to replenish its energy stores. This restoration process is vital for maintaining the brain's metabolic health. When we don't get enough sleep, our brains are forced to operate on reduced energy, leading to decreased cognitive performance, slower reaction times, and impaired judgment. This is why pulling an all-nighter can make you feel foggy and unfocused the next day. The consequences of sleep deprivation. Now that we understand the benefits of sleep, let's take a moment to discuss what happens when we don't get enough of it. Chronic sleep deprivation can have severe consequences on brain power and overall health. Impaired cognitive function. Lack of sleep affects our ability to think clearly, learn new information, and remember things. It also impairs our judgment, making it harder to make sound decisions. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation can lead to significant cognitive decline. Increased risk of neurological disorders. As mentioned earlier, poor sleep quality is associated with an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. This is due to the buildup of harmful proteins and the brain's reduced ability to clear them out without adequate rest. Reduced neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to adapt and reorganize itself, is crucial for learning and memory. Sleep deprivation reduces neuroplasticity, making it harder to learn new things and adapt to changes. Emotional instability. Sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to experience mood swings, anxiety, and even depression. This is because the brain's ability to regulate emotions is significantly diminished without sufficient sleep. Tips for better sleep. Given the importance of sleep for brain power, here are a few tips to help you improve your sleep quality. 1. Stick to a sleep schedule, try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's internal clock and can improve the quality of your sleep. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. This signals to your brain that it's time to wind down. 3. Watch your diet. Avoid large meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. These can disrupt your sleep or make it harder to fall asleep. 4. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep. Try to avoid screens for at least an hour before bed.
5. Make your sleep environment comfortable. Ensure your bedroom is conducive to sleep, dark, quiet, and at a cool, comfortable temperature.
And there you have it, the powerful impact of sleep on brain function. From memory consolidation to emotional regulation, sleep is the unsung hero of our cognitive abilities. So the next time you're tempted to stay up late, remember that your brain needs that time to recharge and perform at its best. If you found